The Blackview company has announced its new tablet device, the Blackview Tab 18 model, which is interesting both in terms of price and characteristics. Tablet boasts a large 20-inch screen with a 2.4K resolution, which supports wideband L1 technology. MediaTek's 8-core Helio G99 chipset was chosen as the processor, and energy is provided by the 8800 mAh battery that supports 33-watt charging. The Blackview Tab 18 boasts up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of expandable internal memory, up to 1 TB via the micro SD card slot. Sound is provided by the 4 Harman Kardon speakers that supports Audio FX 2.0 technology for better sound quality. The front camera is 8 MP, the back is 16 MP, and both support ArcSoft 7.0 processing, which should again enable recording of better quality photos and videos, and also supports video streaming via Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus online services. Sales of the Blackview Tab 18 tablet start from today. It will be available in green, gray, and a blue color. It supports the new S Pen Gen 2 magnetic digital stylus and a flip case, and its promotional price should be $199 for the fastest 500 buyers. So hurry up! The official links are below this video. Be sure to check them out and grab your new Tab 18 today while there's still a chance. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye!